welcome back to Andrea Keeping It Minimal. So this morning I woke up feeling really good, and I had a short headache, but I did take some Tylenol to suppress it and get me back on my feet because y'all, I gotta get ready to go to work. But first, my son been asking me to make him a deli sandwich for lunch, and I had went to Aldi's and bought a couple of things, and I probably will share that video with you guys, but I was in a rush, wasn't able to film that over this, but I wanted to share with you guys, if you are a mother, a single mother, a mother, or a dad that's taking care of your kids, not necessarily single, but if you are and you're taking care of your kids, because I just feel like we should share love all the way around the map with, us parents in general, working hard and doing things for our kids. And there's some parents out there that can't provide, but provide. Like they provide, like they get the best. Whether you're on food stamps, whether you're on Section 8, whether you're coming from a pantry, getting food from a food pantry, whether you're just making do with what you got, working a full-time job like I do, part-time job, it doesn't matter. You're still providing for your family. Y'all eating, y'all living good. Even if you're not living good and circumstance may not be livable, you still have a roof over your head. And I just want to come and share this because I've seen like a lot of parents out here struggling to provide. And I'm here to let you guys know and share with the deals with you guys and let you guys know, hey, it is possible to feed your family on a budget. Y'all, I went to Aldi's. Yes, Aldi's. I was a Kroger's girl. Like, I love Kroger's. Kroger's was my jam. But then when I started finding out Walmart, their produce and stuff, where I stay at, their produce and stuff was just looking funky, and I just couldn't do it. And so I went into Aldi's. That sometimes you have to let go of your pride. I went into Aldi's. Yes, Aldi's is a non-brand, name brand store, so you can get their brand and you can get brand name items in there. But for the low, y'all, like I spent like $60 in there. So if you have $20 to even $10, I've seen people make meals off of $10 at Aldi's. Definitely go up in there and see what you can get for you and your family. You definitely can feed them. You definitely can save. You definitely can stay on budget in Aldi's. And they do accept government assistance. Like I told you guys before, it's nothing to be ashamed of. Like, this is my first time getting food stamps, and y'all, when I say I am sharing I am sharing with you how to budget your food stamps and save for the next month. I think they do roll over. I have been reading and researching on them because it's my first time receiving them, but I think they do roll over. So if you save at least $50, you'll have $50 for the next month. You know what I mean? So you can buy a little bit more next month, but still save each food stamp each month when you get them and when they load on that card. Save $50 for your next month's food as well, because like I say, you can save and get more items. And I typically look for the days where that looks yummy. I look for the days where they have like buy one get one free, or they have sales and stuff like that. Now, if they have buy one get one frees at the regular stores, trust me, I'm gonna be there because that is a deal. And also, if you have a bigger family, I do suggest you shop at Sam's Club. Sam's Club is my jam, okay? And for the ones out there that get food stamps, if you didn't know, Sam's is in connection with food stamps. So if you got the food stamp app, you definitely can get a Sam's membership, I think for like 15 to 20, maybe $25, which is cheap, which is really cheap compared to the the real price that they have for their memberships. You get a discount on your Sam's Club. So yes, you guys, I'm just preparing Ashton's lunch. He's in the 6th grade. He's 11, about to be 12, y'all. Like, I'm about to have a whole 12-year-old. Like, he is leaving out of his preteen stage. Like, next year, December 14th come, he's gonna be 13 in 2025, y'all. 13. So I'm gonna have a whole teenager. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. But anyways, God has blessed me to have a child in December on the 14th. And then Christmas coming on the 25th. Like, all these presents, all this love, all these gifts, like, God has really blessed me this year, y'all. Like, the beginning was rocky for me and my family, my little family. I came to mom's house, and because I was having issues with my apartment, and then it just rent in general, y'all already know. Like, I had a job, but it wasn't providing for me. It went from full time to part time to trying to scrape hours out of them, and then from losing my job, you know what I mean? And then, which, losing my job, I lost my apartment because I couldn't provide, for my family. And my boyfriend was helping me any way that he could. He was giving me money left or right. He was going out there hustling, like, not bad hustling, but just hustling jobs, like, you know what I mean, like working and stuff like that. Even getting like these little apps for the day when he's off of work, he go work another job. And it just wasn't enough. And I just told him, let's just stop. Let's just pay the last bill, and let's just regroup ourselves and come back together and get a new apartment. That apartment was just a sucky apartment, y'all. Just all around. It was just slumlord. Just, if you know what a slumlord is, you know what a slumlord is. Somebody that does not want to fix up their apartment, but wants you to move out so that they can fix up the apartment. And I was living, it was just disgusting. The bathroom was leaking into the kitchen. So yes, y'all, I'm just happy that, God pushed me down and told me, this is enough. You need to go to your mom's, and you need to regroup yourself, get on some type of journey, which I did. I got on a spiritual journey with him, me and him. I'm walking forward with him, and no matter what, God has provided. He has blessed me to get a job. He has blessed my boyfriend. He has blessed my son. He's just blessing us, and I just thank him every day. If you don't believe in God, like, if you don't believe in Jesus Christ, like, I don't know what to tell you. What you doing? Like, we don't play that over here, okay? But anyways, y'all, I am done making his lunch. Look at it. It looks so good. It is prepared. He is ready to go. And he told me after school, after I got back from the Goodwill, y'all, that it was so good. His friends was even asking me to make them sandwiches. You guys just never know what kids are going through and what they're not eating and what their parents can't provide. Look, y'all, I secured the bag. Shugs Bagels. And I got me an apple juice. And the girl's on her way to work. On her way to work. Got these pediatric diabetical shoes on, because y'all already know I'm type 2 diabetic. But they don't look like they diabetic shoes. See? They look like regular shoes. So let me get out here and get to work, because I don't want to be late. I gotta get these coins, get this money. We got goals out here. I'm tired. My ankle hurting. But still, gotta get it going. Y'all, I'm over here listening to my gospel music, my R&B, getting myself ready for the day. Whew, yeah, that's how we rolling. Mom life. This is mom life. Mom life. Tired or not, still gotta get to work. Gotta get to work. Gotta get to work. So if I can be any motivation to anybody around here, yeah, just make it happen for the fam. Make it happen. Make it happen. We got goals around here. had enough time to sit and eat like half of my bagel. Hopefully, if y'all didn't know, I'm gonna just go and say I work at a university, chefing, where I want to be, and how to cook things. So it's important that I get to work on time because, baby, this is the easiest job. It's hectic, but it's easy, baby. This job is more like a mall, like, you know how like the different food courts they have. It's not like a cafeteria, so people can go and get omelets. People can go get sandwiches, tacos. They only have like 4 courses, so it's not like hard. But anyways, yeah, I'm almost at my destination. So this is kind of like I'm taking y'all to work with me, but not taking y'all to work with me. But yeah, they have like a lot of stuff at this university. And also, my job have great benefits, y'all. Like great benefits. Discounts off of hotels, discounts off of car rentals, discounts off of just a lot of stuff. Food, restaurants. I just got a 10% discount off at Shugs Bagels. So, yeah, y'all. And then they also have, like, if I had a younger child, which my son is 11, but they have, like, free daycare services. And also you can take classes here. And I like it. It's neat. People here are friendly. Some of them you gotta watch. Keep your eyes on them. But other than that, y'all, yes, I manage half of the kitchen and somebody else manage the other half, but yet to have managed my kitchen, my half of the kitchen. So I'm in training, so I'm not going to be managing anything yet. So anyways, I am here at my location, so I'll see you guys later, probably when I go on lunch or when I go make it to mom's house. So I ended up in the thrift store, the Goodwill, and y'all, these are so cute. They have been worn, but they haven't been worn out. Y'all, they were only $9.99. And then I also love these Brat Doll boots. And I really love them until I looked at the price. Goodwill has gone up in price, $25 for these boots. They were new, so I mean, and then I saw these little stretchy pants. I was looking more for neutral clothes, but yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye.